Salam salam, this is Unity and I'm here to do a Queen's order. This order is going to Oakland, California. I've been getting a lot of Oakland, Californias. It is called the Radiant Queen. These was inspired by Basquiat. The Radiant Queen, because he said Radiant Child and he had a crown, so I just put the Radiant Queen. It's inspired by Basquiat. This is the back of them. And y'all will see another pair of these in the upcoming Queen's order because I've been making these a lot. Radiant Queen. You see that? Alright. The next order is going to Maryland. Y'all will also see these in another Queen's order. I've been making these a lot. And these are called Boabw Culture Africa earrings. So there's those. This is the back. Alright. Also, these again. Y'all will see these in a lot of Queen's order. I have made many of these. I'll show y'all some more. So I got these. These, I have made a lot of these due to the fact I've been getting a lot of orders for these. I just showed y'all a couple of these, but these are called the Bohemian Island earrings. That's the back. And this pair is going to South Carolina. Okay, so the next order is going to California, La Quinta, California. And the first pair is the Ethiopian Zion earrings. The red, yellow, and green, or green, yellow, and red colors. Ethiopian Zion. So these are going to California. So she got those. And then she got the Papa Legba. I got to make a couple of these too. He's one of the Orishas. If y'all get a chance, read on Papa Legba. He's Orisha, a Santeria, a Haitian Voodoo. Alright, so she got those. And the last pair she got is these Rasta flower earrings. You see those? Alright. So next order is going to Canada. And the first pair she got, which y'all done seen, is black mixed with black. And then the back, I just got these black. That's the first pair. And the next pair she got is the Revolutionary Black Girl, Real Black Girl, red, black, and green earrings. This love is better. Revolutionary. The back is just black. So she got RBG, which stands for red, black, and green. Real Black Girls, Revolutionary Black Girls. So she got those. The next pair this beloved sister got are the pink and green Afro earrings. Here's the back. Pink and green. And the last pair this beloved sister got is a pair of my mud cloth Africa earrings. So y'all know the old school but timeless. There we go. So I want to thank all these beloved sisters for supporting boabw.com, which stands for Beauty of a Black Woman, or Beauty of All Black Women. I want to thank you for supporting original hand painted earrings. I'm the earring goddess, Khadijah, Unity, New War. I've been creating hand painted earrings since 2007. I'm grateful and thankful for all the support I've been receiving all over the world. And if you would like to purchase Afrocentric stencils, you can go to K.NoirDesigns.com. If you would like to take up a couple of how to do earring classes, I have some, well, how to draw. I have some on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description box. Also, you can go to K.NoirDesigns.com to buy those in Afrocentric stencils. I also make custom Afrocentric stencils if you're interested in that. I noticed that everything I do, as far as my foundation, this one particular person is doing it. Not original. I'm the innovator. I'm not the original creator of Afrocentric hand-painted earrings, but I am the innovator of it because our ancestors did it before me. I'm just an innovator. But it's interesting how someone try to take your whole style and make it think it's theirs. That's why you know something is mentally wrong. But anyway, y'all, support original hand-painted earrings artists, not copycats. And not people that send fake copyright infringements to somebody because they feel threatened that they can't be great. And support original hand-painted earring artists. There's so many out there that just not hand-painted artists. It's artists that create Afrocentric designs, Afrocentric art. Support the real ones, not the ones that use someone else what we call it, blueprint to create a business for them instead of being original and then shit on them. So karma is my friend. Don't forget to pick up litter in your local community. And don't forget to leave a beautiful comment. And if you can, I know times are hard in this time, if you could adopt a cat or a dog or any type of pet that's in the shelters or rescues, please do. And one thing I learned in the last this year it taught me. I was talking to my sister and I was telling her how when I noticed with people, you know, the reason why they are what they are, a lot of them are born that way. But a lot of them born for confusion, and most of the time the ones that has been hurt, their foundation, they didn't receive enough love. So they don't know how to accept love. They don't know how to accept love. Me, I learned to respect those that respect me. And I'm not a turn or other cheap chopper girl. I'm an eye for an eye. I think anything in nature has it. We are nature. And I think we have the right to defend ourselves by any means necessary, no matter what it is. So if you have ideas or anything, you protect those ideas. You share them, but you also protect them. Because we have Uncle Tom people that's just like, that's worse than white supremacy. That try, it's kind of like crabs in a bucket. And then we have slave mentalities that, oh, you should just squash it. But when we have, in our black people, when we have a bad seed or you have a leaf that's turning brown with a whole bunch of full of beautiful green leaves, you have to take that leaf off. So I'm gonna leave it with that. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.